Welcome to our Holistic Healing channel. I'm so glad you found this video today on our self-love crystal grid. I've prepared this crystal grid and special prayer for you today. Of all of the people you know in a lifetime, you're the only one you will never leave or lose. Only you have the answers to the problems in your life. You are the solution. For other relationships to be stable and fruitful, we must start with self-love. When we struggle with loving ourselves, it usually complicates and hinders our communication in any other relationship. For this grid, I chose the Anahata Chakra Heart Chakra grid. It's wooden and I got it from Amazon. Anahata means unstruck sound. And the heart chakra stands for unconditional love, for compassion with wisdom, for joy. It is the source of truth, not expressed in words. It is the bridge between the upper and lower chakras and integrates manifesting with our spiritual nature. And to set some ambiance and give some additional power with herbs and stones, I chose a candle by Fifi Peony's Gemstone Candles. It's purple fig and rose quartz for love. So I'll get that lit. And as I do, let's just take a couple of deep breaths. In through your nose, breathing in calm and tranquility, lots of self-love, and breathing out through your mouth, letting go of all those negative thoughts that we tend to tell ourselves. And let's do that again, breathing in through the nose, breathing in love, and out through the mouth, breathing out any stress, any tension, and any self-doubt. And for our clearing and grounding, we're going to use an Yerba Santa smudge, traditionally used as a smudge or incense for protection and setting boundaries. Yerba Santa has also been used for love, growth, empowerment and beauty, purification, and the release of emotional pain stored in the heart chakra. Now I've already cleansed all the stones and left them out in the full moon as well. But I'm just setting the stage here. So for a moment, as I'm smudging the area and smudging you, imagine you being cleansed by the smoke. All the negativity, the negative thoughts that you have about yourself melt away and are purified into unconditional love for yourself. And now let's take a moment and review the intention that I've set for us. Our intention for self-love is, I am worthy of the very best that life has to offer, and I lovingly allow myself to accept it. I am worthy of the very best that life has to offer, and I lovingly allow myself to accept it. I am worthy of the very best that life has to offer, and I lovingly allow myself to accept it. And for our focal stone, a petrified wood or agatized wood sphere for the root and sacral chakra to help to ground and balance us. The spear shape puts out energy in all directions, reaching very far in a soft and loving energy. This petrified wood will help to calm us and soothe us, give us the nurturing that we need. Petrified wood can help heal problems arising in the family, especially from family history or past lives. Give us the perseverance and spiritual transformation necessary to truly accept and love ourselves unconditionally. Give us success and good fortune and good luck. It's one of the greatest nature-based meditation stones, and so we use it as our focus. And I specifically got these big, beautiful raw amethysts for this self-love grid. And amethyst is for the crown and third eye chakras. With this amethyst, help us to find tranquility, to relieve stress, to soothe any irritability we may have. Help it to balance any mood swings, to dispel anger that we've been holding on to, rage, fear, and anxiety. Let us release those and find an inner calm and peace. Help it to alleviate any sadness or grief that we've been facing, and to dissolve any negativity. Help it to activate our spiritual awareness and to become in tune with that awareness. Help it to open up our intuition and to enhance any psychic abilities we may have. Help it to clarify our thoughts and for us to find insight into any problems that we're having and find solutions for any situation that we are currently facing. And I've chosen some more petrified wood, big raw chunks. Petrified wood is a stone of transformation. Help it to assist us to advance to our highest nature. Help us to feel safe and secure and calm down our survival-based fears. Help to assist us in setting a pace and staying with that pace all day. Help it to bring us patience to those in the process of inner growth and transformation, and to bring that change to fruition. And it wouldn't be any kind of a love grid without rose quartz, the stone of the heart chakra, the stone of unconditional love towards ourselves and others. Let it help us practice self-compassion and love for ourselves, regardless of our perceived flaws or imperfections. Help us to accept us the way we are while we seek the change that we desire. This rose quartz, we want to dissolve any old hurts that are still in our heart so that we can release those and have our hearts filled with love. It opens our heart to trust in love and having faith in the universe and those things that are coming for our best good. And next, I've chosen rhodonite, the stone of compassion. May we show ourselves and others loving kindness with wisdom and compassion. Rhodonite is an emotional balancer that clears away emotional scars from the past. Help to calm our impatience and to accept ourselves the way we are, to nurture love within ourselves, to stimulate, clear, and activate the heart. May it ground us with its grounding energy and balance our yin and yang. Aid us in achieving our highest potential. Help it to heal emotional shock and panic and encourage positive and cheerful outlook. Help it to improve our self-worth and to soothe any emotional stress that we may be facing right now. Next, we have green Aventurine, another stone of the heart chakra, a stone of prosperity, luck, and abundance, giving us success in ways we haven't even imagined. Help it to reinforce our leadership qualities and our decisiveness on where we want to go in the future. Promote compassion and empathy, both for ourselves and others. Encourage perseverance for us to reach those goals that we have. With this green Aventurine, help it to comfort, harmonize, and protect our heart. Help us to work through any unsolved emotional issues. And next we'll add turquoise, the stone that helps balance all chakras, protect us from harm or negative energy as a symbol of friendship and outward love, bring peace to our homes and our atmospheres, give us good fortune, stabilize any mood swings that we might have, that we might come from a place of calm as we face any situations in our path. Help it to instill inner calm and to clear any depression or exhaustion that we may be feeling. If we are facing panic attacks, the turquoise will help us to soothe those, to promote self-realization, and to assist us in creative problem solving. And we're going to enhance the energy of all the stones we've chosen with clear quartz points and help those to integrate and form the lattice of the energies of the stones. Clear quartz is known as the master healer. Help it to amplify energy by absorbing, storing, releasing, and regulating it. Aid us in our concentration and in our memory. Help us to remember the good memories of all the loving times that we've had with those that we care so much about. Help us to remember to spend those loving moments of self-care with ourselves. Stimulate our immune system and balance out our entire body so that we can be in a peaceful, happy, and joyful state. And to burn some incense, I've chosen traditional Tibetan Chenzerig incense. In the hands of Chenzerig, he holds the precious jewel of enlightenment, which symbolizes compassion for all human beings. He's known as the god of compassion. This incense is made with cinnamon and other spices. And as part of this grid, I did a room spray for self-love. And this spray will be in the giveaway kit of the self-love grid that I am giving away this month. And the video's already up with the giveaway. It's with the Cosmic Crystal unboxing, so look for that if you haven't already seen it, so that you can have this room spray. And I used Geranium Essential Oil in it because that is the oil of love and trust. It helps us with anxiety and depression, pain management. It's an antibacterial, an antioxidant, and an anti-inflammatory. It helps to balance our hormones, uplift our mood, lessen fatigue, and promote emotional wellness. It restores trust and confidence in the goodness of others and the world, and is an emotional healer that facilitates trust when, due to difficult circumstances, trust has been diluted. Then there's patchouli. Patchouli promotes feelings of relaxation, helps to ease stress and anxiety, and relieves depression. It helps to reduce fatigue and helps with insomnia. It gives us physical strength, grace, confidence in body, and assists us in feelings of peace while being present in our physical body. Jasmine Essential Oil is an antidepressant, an antiseptic, and an expectorant. It's an aphrodisiac and a sedative. It encourages self-respect for others and promotes positive experiences with trust, safety, and healing. Lemon essential oil helps us feel energized. It heals our wounds. It relieves pain, reduces anxiety and depression. It clears self-judgments, especially in mental areas like I am dumb or insecurities or fears that we have of ourselves, and restores self-confidence. And bergamot is the oil of self-acceptance. It regulates our emotions and our memories. It increases serotonin and is a feel-good hormone. It is for depression and anxiety and can aid in insomnia. It awakens the soul to hope and courage and gives us the ability to share our inner self. It teaches us unconditional self-love. The room spray was made with moon water, and the gemstones in it are rose quartz, amethyst, and clear quartz. So as I spray this room spray, let it remind us and fill the room with beautiful smells and essences to help us to remember to love ourselves just the way we are, with all of our imperfections. And as the final touch on our self-love grid, I'm using some red Gomphrena globosa, which is known as the bachelor's button. And it brings us immortality and endless love. So with these flowers, help us to find endless love with compassion and wisdom for ourselves and for those that are around us. And as I activate this grid, many of you have had experiences with this. So I'm going to be silent and just let you think about all the properties of the stones and watch them connect with each other as we activate the grid. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and will happen, because I know that everything is towards my highest good. I can still take action, but know that the situations put in front of me are for my highest good. And with this grid, I wish you a blessed day and a wonderful 2021 year with health, prosperity, and self-love that's unconditional, so that you will have the room to grow into your highest self.